You know what? We're playing games.
Alright, Alex. Don't fuck it up. Oh my god, the Sphinx moves.
We just need you to die and then we get points. Beautiful. Thank you, Zia.
Yes!
Oh, Zia, that's close.
Yes!
No!
Yes! Points! I like how we're not completing it, yet we're just making it harder.
Alright, Blake, you're our last hope.
It's our favorite map, Waterfall.
Yep, we gotta get the box.
Yeah, it slows you down. What?
What?
Alex.
I need to take my pants off real quick.
Actually, that does sound nice.
Makes a
My
good
range
point,
being
yeah.
Oh god, even Zia made that jump. I feel bad.
Okay, can anyone think about the last time they've jumped?
Today.
I jumped today.
What do you mean you jump every day?
Ah.
I did jump today. I did jump today. Okay,
There you go!
Alex, what the fuck is wrong with you? You put the black hole.
Oh, I did, but the black hole's not really a big issue.
Wait! No!
Alright, that may have been a bad spot to put that. Oh, I thought Carter was still alive. Get hit by the flower, I'm confused.
Okay,
That's my corpse.
That's his dead body.
What do I do? I'm panicking.
Back up a little bit. Don't hit the wall. Yeah. And then jump.
Let's fucking go.
Damn it!
I need to put collision on.
What?
Holy
shit,
shit, Carter!
Cross the
It
map!
gives you extra.
Pay to win!
Guys, you can sprint.
Oh,
What?
if I just walk to the right, then I can grab the side of this barrel, right?
Yeah.
I thought I could, like, slide across the side.
Doomsday meteors or doomsday lava.
Sounds
Hard
bad.
to use.
God damn. Oh my god!
If we're being honest, I tried to shield that.
How do
This
you
game is-
shield?
You don't. I tried. That's the thing. There's no shield in this game.
No, I want to win so badly.
I can win this right here, right now.
Wait, are you within winning range?
I think so.
Oh, shit. No! Yes! No! What?
Oh, it's gonna
What?
hit.
That hit you!
Oh,
That's
my
bullshit! No! That went right through you!
Oh no, we don't have time to wait for this. No! We didn't make it a second. we make a thing. We make a thing. Zia, no.
Like, use your words.
I actually have no idea what you're going for.
No!
Blake.
Oh no! There's nothing behind there!
No! No! Wait, who put the spikes on the crate?
Who did that? Who did do that?
You guys can't hide it. I'll review the footage. I'll know who did it.
Carter, you bitch.
No!
Oh, Alex.
Wow.
Oh.
Wait, am I in? Wait, Carter, you're in my way? What? That's
You're
such
joking.
bullshit!
That literally made me win, because that's my trap. I forgot there's no center to that.
What do we get?
Why does Carter get all the cool stuff?
I got goddamn suspenders!
I'm pissed.
Oh, you're stuck! Oh no! Like, this time you can get a coin if you do this. Oh, good job. It was.
Go, Zia, go! Don't panic!
Yeah.
Yeah, jump
No!
She panicked.
I force everyone to go in this path. No, I died immediately! This on the one platform that's bad.
What does this do? I don't get it.
Jetpack. Whoever touches it can fly.
Zia, jump! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Zia, don't panic. Just calm down.
She's panicking. She's panicking.
Yeah! There wasn't even anything bad there!
Oh, Alex wins?
Allison, not get the threshold.
I did it! I did it!
You bitch, Alex! You
Fuck you,
bitch.
fuck you, Blake, fuck you!
Fucking
Fuck you!
bitch.
Fuck you! I won! Oh, wait, what? No!
Alex, eat a dick!
No!
I'm a bitch. I'm a lover.
You're a bird.